Drivers behind the line. 3, 2, 1. Power up.
All right, here we go. Match number 30 underway. Our last match before lunch here on Darwin. It's autonomous. Everybody moving in autonomous. Both alliances scoring in their respective switches. The Red Alliance put a few over onto the scale as well. So Red able to earn a ranking point by that autonomous round. All three of the blue robots did not cross over that line, so they did not earn that ranking point. And now that we're in teleoperator mode, everybody moving here. Drivers have control of the robots, and the Red Alliance has built up about a 40-point lead. Blue trying to get back control of the scale, and it looks like they've balanced it. And they would have gotten it if that last cube would have fallen on top of the scale, but it went to the ground. But now they've put a couple more on, and Blue does have control of the scale in the middle. So Blue with control of all three of the balancing devices, both switches and the scale, although Red now taking back the red switch over on their side of the field. So Blue accumulating points at 2 per second, Red getting 1 per second, Red losing their lead. They had a lead, but Blue gaining, and they have now taken over the lead. We go down under a minute to go, about 53 seconds to go. Advantage now Blue by about 35 points. So Blue was struggling for most of the match, but then they finally gained control of that scale in the middle, and now they've taken a lead, and they're trying to build up on it. 35 seconds to go in the match. Getting ready to enter into the end game. And there's the audio indicator saying we're there. So 25 seconds remaining in the match. Advantage Blue by about 60 to 70 points. 2 red robots on the platform. All 3 of the blue robots on the platform. They're both going to be raised up, and they are on top of that other robot with 6 seconds to go. They've also implemented a levitate by the vault. 2 seconds now, 1. So 2 blue robots getting credit for being in the air at the end. 2 red ones as well, and both alliances had implemented that levitate out of the vault. So let's see how it gets scored by the referees. The Blue Alliance takes the match. They win it by a score of 415 to 359. And they get 3 ranking points. They did not get all 4 ranking points because they did not earn a ranking point in autonomous. They did get one, though, through the end game by getting credit for facing the boss. Over on the red side, even in defeat, they did get 2 ranking points. 1 for autonomous and 1 for facing the boss, getting credit for all 3 robots levitating at the end. Nicely done. Now that's our last match before lunch. We're going to come back at 2 o'clock to start up after lunch. If you are in one of the first match after lunch, we want you back at 1:40.